Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable ignore do not disturb for an individual text messages conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, open up the text conversation that you want to apply the change, and then tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, choose Details. In here, tap on Notifications, and then go down and tap on Ignore Do Not Disturb. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off, and select Show These Notifications when Do Not Disturb is on. Now, these settings only apply to this specific text conversation only. Right here, it does not apply to other text conversations in messages. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.